Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering what matters, be precise. Install the latest OS updates, enable developer and private AI toggles, and verify backup. Then, collect 3 data types: usage logs, labeled intents, and system prompts. Store them securely. Once done, define one measurable outcome like reduce task time by 30% so you can test progress. Make sure to use consistent naming and timestamps. This prevents confusion later. You're ready to configure the first pipeline and run an initial collection. You now build the pipeline, ingest, normalize, and label. Automate about 1/3 of the workflow to save time while keeping human review. Train on small batches to catch errors quickly, and run a/b comparisons with clear metrics like time saved and accuracy. Once done, iterate hyperparameters and prompt templates to align outcomes with your measurable goal. Make sure to add privacy filters, rate limits, and rollback checkpoints so you can stop or revert if behavior drifts or errors appear during scaling. You finish by deploying to a controlled cohort and monitoring closely for 24 to 72 hours. Watch for anomalies and real user feedback. Measure KPIs continuously: task time, accuracy, error rate, and user satisfaction, then compare to your baseline. Once done, expand gradually and keep automated rollbacks ready. Make sure to document every change and maintain a checkpoint you can restore. If things go wrong, revert to checkpoint. Inspect targeted logs, retrain on corrected labels, and redeploy after a narrow
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.